All right, guys, this is my first time unboxing and taking a look at the Outus brand 3-piece Bible ribbon bookmark. This is gonna be very useful for me because in my Bible, I just get random things to hold places because I only have one marker, and I usually have 10 different places I read from occasionally or regularly where I just want to be able to access it quickly. Each one, so first of all, you have 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. It's hopefully a faux leather. It's got to be a faux leather. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have a green, you have a black, you have a red, a royal blue, and a yellow. And you're able, let me just pull a book out so you can see how this would work. Yeah, how do they do this? Yeah, so this is just at the top. So you just have this at the top, right, with the book. And you can start with just having it in one spot, but say you're reading, there's another spot you want to put it in. You can just take the green one out and move it. So I think this thing's really cool, extremely useful. Honestly, I think it's best for Bible, but also could just be useful for any book that's pretty big that you go to different spots all the time. I love this. I highly recommend it.